Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to download the Krispy Kreme application on your mobile phone. Right here I'm currently using an Android phone. That's why I'll have to use the Google Play Store, but if you're actually using an iPhone then you have to open up your Apple Store. So I'm going over to Google Play Store and I'm just going to open the application and it's going to take me right here to the home page. So from this home page, head over to the top corner of the screen where you have the search bar. So in the search bar, you're going to have to type in Krispy Kreme. Now click on the search bar or the search button in your keypad. It's going to take you right to this window where you have Krispy Kreme. So this is Krispy Kreme, and just right next to it you can find the open button. That's because I have already installed Krispy Kreme. But if you have not downloaded it, just as it is with this McDonald's UK where you have that install button, you're going to find install right next to Krispy Kreme instead of open. So once you click on install, you're going to have to wait a couple seconds for the app to be successfully installed. You are going to see a memo signifying that it is downloading. After it has been fully downloaded and installed, you're going to see this prompt that says installed and you're going to find the open button. Now you can click on the open button and it's going to take you right into the Krispy Kreme application. Once you get in there, you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time using the Krispy Kreme app. Now let's see how we can do that. Go ahead and click on open, and after clicking on open, this is the Krispy Kreme app. Now you can explore, you can use whatever you want to use, you can use any feature you want to use just so you can have an exciting time using Krispy Kreme. So it's pretty much the process, just as we did with Google Play Store. You can definitely replicate the same with App Store if you're using an iPhone. So this is pretty much the process. You can go ahead and follow through, download and enjoy Krispy Kreme donuts. You can go by this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.